Carbon fiber usage in daily life continues to increase, from high-performance sporting gear to high-end lifestyle accessories. Carbon fiber is no longer reserved for aerospace and racing anymore. Advances in processing and cost reduction create wider applications, so light strength is increasingly found in many consumer and business products. This lecture lists some everyday carbon fiber products, explores the reasons why businesses use the material, and shows useful carbon fiber applications across various sectors. Mass market producers use carbon fiber reinforced components, both in the aftermarket and original equipment markets. Trim pieces, mirror covers, center consoles, and minor structural reinforcement use carbon fiber to save weight and improve perceived quality. High-end luggage and pro cases utilize carbon fiber reinforced panels to offer impact protection with minimal thickness, reduced carry weight, increased protection for contents. Design-led gift sets showcase carbon fiber as both a performance material and a symbol of thoughtful luxury. The Carbon Zealand Premium Gift Set, for example, combines advanced carbon fiber shafts with precision metal tips, delivering strength, speed, and smoothness once reserved for aerospace applications. Professional tripods and monopods often use carbon tubes to enable speedy setup and improved imaging stability. Carbon fiber products translate to more perceived value and improved field performance for product development teams. In photography, carbon fiber necks, bows, and shells resist warpage due to humidity and yield even tonal response. Impact resistance and lighter carry weight converge in protective instrument cases with carbon reinforced shells, features that attract touring professionals and rental operations. Specialty knitting needles today have carbon fiber cores and sharp metal tips to provide lightness combined with excellent stiffness. These needles feature a carbon fiber shaft with extremely polished brass tips to offer smooth yarn glide and durability. Consumer electronics have carbon fiber trim and panels for thermal stability and impact resistance. Genuine carbon fiber is deployed in some equipment. Others use patterned reproductions to simulate the look, so the design teams must specify materials correctly to deliver functional performance. Bicycle manufacturers use carbon fiber for frames, forks, and critical components due to very high stiffness-to-weight ratio of carbon fibers. Carbon fiber application in cycling also extends to handlebars, seat posts, and wheels rims where reduced weight and targeted stiffness are important. High-performance sports equipment uses carbon fiber layups to strike a balance between feel, strength, and flex. The carbon fiber items accelerate the performance of athletes resisting fatigue and wear during prolonged duty cycles. Fiber orientation and resin selection are optimized by engineers to control energy return and shock absorption, reactions critical to tennis rackets, golf clubs, hockey sticks, and paddles. Two forces drive the rise of carbon fiber use in consumer and business markets. As these drivers flashed on screen continue to apply, expect more widespread carbon fiber products to migrate from niche to mainstream. For businesses, the issue is not applying carbon fiber, but how to identify the right weave, resin, and manufacturing process for the application. Knowledge-based choices enable products to achieve today's market strength, weight, and aesthetics ratio. Technology Education and Mentoring Center is continuously posting micro-lectures on the topic fiber-reinforced composites, their manufacturing, applications along with safety protocols essentially needed by the industry.